This is an instructional video on how to install your F-424L console cover. What you want to do first is remove your headrest. I've already gone ahead and I've done that. All you need to do is press these two tabs and lift up on the headrest and it should come out. What you want to do next is lay the console cover on your console, like so. Undo the Velcro and put the seatbelt right over top of the console cover. Tilt the seat down and tuck the seat cover through the center of the seat. Like so. Take the two upper webbing pieces, bring them to the back, and attach the two pieces together. Make sure everything is nice and straight, and tighten everything down. What you want to do next is open up the lid, bring the cover over top, make sure the skirting goes around everything nice and evenly. And button that down too. For the bottom, you repeat the same method by tilting the seat down. There is Velcro on the bottom and the back side of the cover, right here and right here, and that's where you want to attach it to. Make sure the skirting covers the seat bottom, like so. Take the two webbing pieces again and button it up at the back. Tighten everything down, and once you're done, it should look something like this. And there you have it.